One of the reasons to install a luxury vinyl tile floor from Interface is its low level of maintenance. A few simple steps will protect your investment and keep your floor looking beautiful for a long time. Interface LVT can be easily cleaned using everyday devices and liquid solutions. Remove dry soil using a broom or dust mop. This should be done on a daily basis, starting 48 hours after installation. The floor should be wet cleaned at least once a week using a microfiber mop and a neutral cleaning agent with a pH of 6 to 8. It should be ready to use or diluted with the appropriate amount of water. Do not pour liquid solutions directly onto the floor. Never use powdered cleaners, bristle brushes, steel wool, or anything that can damage the surface of the floor. After using the liquid cleaner, damp mop the floor with hot water. Don't allow puddles of water to remain on the floor. Be sure to rinse mop heads after use. For large areas, it's okay to use an auto scrubber, but only with a non-abrasive pad. You may have floors that use Interface carpet tiles as well as LVT. In these areas, pay close attention when using excessive water and cleaning solutions on the carpet where it meets the vinyl tiles. Do not use a heavy, beating brush vacuum over the vinyl tiles. Finally, here are a few tips to protect your new LVT floor. Always put felt pads on the feet of chairs and tables. Ideally, office chairs should have soft wheels. Use floor mats at entryways to protect your flooring from abrasive dirt and gravel. Avoid mats with rubber backing, rubber furniture legs, and rubber wheels. Don't drag heavy appliances or furniture across the floor without protection. Be careful with hot or heavy objects that can harm the floor when falling. Follow these easy cleaning and maintenance instructions and you'll enjoy your luxury vinyl tile flooring for a long time. If you have questions about maintenance that aren't answered here, please refer to our maintenance instructions for LVT.